Dear students, once you would be decided about recruitment policy items and recruitment activities, it is better to make an employment checklist. There are a number of things included in employment checklists. Let's come and discuss. Before beginning the hiring process, the HR manager should review and receive agreement from all involved managers on the following issues. This is not a solo flight, dear students, that HR managers need to make all decisions by themselves. It is better to take all possible managers on board and discuss the following issues with the relevant managers, and those issues and those items would be considered as an employment checklist. Let's see what are included in employment checklist. First of all, we need to answer several questions. The first, is there a genuine need for this job to be filled? Really, this job need to be required? This position need to be filled for the organization? Is it possible that work be reallocated? That this work can be referred to someone else? Is the work really necessary? Is that work is really the part of your organization structure and hierarchy? And would the work be better outsourced? Sometimes it is better to outsource the work rather than hiring people for your organization. If you can outsource the work, it is much more cheaper and better for the organization rather than hiring more and more people for your organization and getting maximum load on your organization. In employment checklist, there is a question, should the job be filled internally or externally? This is also a responsibility of HR manager to make this checklist that whether the job would be filled internally, means by internal candidates, or we need to hire candidates from external sources. So this is an important checklist, internal or external. Then, that is very important. What is the budget for filling the position? Is the budget available? And if the budget is available, how much budget is available to fill such kind of position? And which department will be charged the recruitment cost? Because budget is not much centralized. It is decentralized to each and different departments. And you need to answer the question that which departments will pay for that recruitment cost. Then, what are the duties, responsibilities, reporting relationships, qualification, experiences, skills, and personal qualities required for that particular job? These all are the components of job description and job specification. You must know about that. What are the major duties and responsibilities? What are the major knowledge, skills, and abilities required to do that particular job? So, everyone need to an agreed job description and job specification. So, job description, JD, and job specification, these both components need to be mentioned in employment checklist. Then, what is the job size? How bigger the job is, how smaller the job is. That is also an important question which need to be answered. And last but not least, what pay and fringe benefits will the position attract? Whether the pay is a fixed or it is a variable pay, what kind of a benefits company is giving? For example, the company is giving housing for that particular job. They are giving a company maintained car to the new employee. They are giving a membership of the club. What are the conditions of the employment? If company is giving you an employment, in which condition you have to perform that job, whether the job is indoor or the job is outdoor, and which department will the payroll cost be charged to. So which department would pay for that particular job, which department would pay for the recruitment cost. So these are some of the employment checklist questions which need to be answered before proceeding to the formal recruitment procedure.